माय चैनल लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर बटन। तो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है क्लास 11th का, ये प्रैक्टिकल है जिसमें वाइव इक्वेशन एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहे हैं। तो अगला टॉपिक है हमारा स्टडी ऑफ द इमीबिएशन के बारे में। ठीक, इमीबिएशन क्या होता है गाइज? इमीबिएशन इज इवेंट ऑफ एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर बाय सॉलिड विदाउट फॉर्मिंग ऑफ सॉल्यूशन हैपन इफ द राइसिन are placed in the warm water. Swiveling of the rising will be occur more quick because increasing temperature, rising kinetic energy on system. Thus, emigration will be rising respond if placed in ice cold water. Swiveling will be take more times because decreasing in temperature and lower kinetic energy of system. Thus, emigration there be any change in rate of immibiations with change in pH of the medium. Immibiation is influenced by pH of the medium, and negative charge colloid like cellulose will be imbibed maximum alkaline medium, while reserve is true for the positive charge colloid. Important immibiations in life of plant. Immibation help in the germination of seed, takes of soil water by root hair and cell to cell momentum of water. अब पढ़ेंगे हम एक्सपेरिमेंट सेटअप के बारे में। व्हाट इज anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration is incomplete oxidation food without oxygen being utilized and oxidant are respiration substance compound that are oxidized during oxidation. What is meant by phototropism? Response of plant part in form of growth momentum toward the source of light. What types response do roots show toward the light? Negative phototrophic, hence they grow opposite to source of light. What is apical dominance? Inhibitions of growth of lateral bud due to the presence of apical bud is called apical dominance. Hormones cases apical hormones dominance तो एक्जिन सही हो जाए। hormones antagonist एक्जिन relations apical dominance काइनिन सही हो जाएगा। Why do plant appear bushy after the pruning? तो pruning induce growth of lateral bud due to the bushy appearance. What role of the transpirations pull in the life of plant? Help upward movement of water and minerals in the plant.